G'day from down under. And when I say down under, I mean down under the car. I thought I'd make this update. It may not be of interest to everyone, but if you're searching for bump stop replacement, it might be of benefit to you. And if you drive a car, it's almost 100% guaranteed that you have bump stops under your car. The reason for this update, it's apparently 3 years since I've made my easy bump stop installation video. And since I'm tooling around under the car, which I love, no, I don't love it. I happened to look at the bump stops, and 3 years later already, they're still looking as good as when I put them in there, once I find them. There you go. There's one of them that I can reach. Haven't cleaned the car or anything. And because I'm so thin and nimble these days, now my goal was to slip under here and get to the bump stops, but realistically, I'm a rather large fella. Okay, I'm a fat bastard. Well, now I'm well and truly stuck. I thought I may as well show you what they look like. Here's the other side. So all bump stops basically do is stop your suspension bottoming out instead of slamming onto the chassis and making your wheel drag against the mudguard. I have not cleaned these at all in 3 years, so they're looking pretty good. I think they just came from eBay. Now if you are interested in replacing these, you can follow my video and I'll show you how easy it is, because there's a lot of misconceptions out there, needing all sorts of things to do it. I'll show you how to do it very simply with just the twist of a wrist at the right angle. So if you want to see that easy installation of bump stops, you can check out that video here. And also, if you're interested, I have for BA series Fords, I have a separate playlist here. And if you're not at all interested in bump stops, YouTube thinks you might be interested in this video here. So see how you go with that. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Preferably not underneath the car. Cheers.